We're in the nursery now. Get some of these little ones outside. They do like it in there though. Right, Aqua, there's Dad. And there's Mum Limoncello. Hello, darling. And Jack. Good girl. Next Sarah down here. Hello, darling. How are you? You right, sweetie? Good girl. You right? Yeah, good girl. Good chuckle Dream. Hello, Dream. How's your baby? Oh, look. There's the baby. Hello, darling. How are you, sweetie? You right? Yes, you got a full tummy. You got a full tummy, darling. Hello, Baba. Good baby. Very. No. Sorry, darling. There we go. There's Mum and Dad and with the baby. Good boy. Get your baby nice and warm. All right, Mama. Good boy. I'll go shut the door now. All right, so Hedge has 7 eggs. I mean, fudge. My apologies. Fudge. Has 7 eggs. No, you're not going in there. No. Here's Daddy feeding Jack. Just fed this little one. What have you got in your mouth? What's that? Is Jack feeding you? No? Hmm? Here's Jack feeding our youngster. That's our latest fledgling. They go back and ask for more. Dad feeds and then they fly off. It's all good. Hey, darling. Yes. I'm trying to get Ella Rose's trust back because I kind of, I don't know, lost trust with Ella Rose, which is very upsetting to me. So I thought if I bring Ella Rose to the house and have a little bit of us time, that it might get trust back. Can't really see because of the angle that Ella Rose is at. Just relaxed. I'm hoping so. A bit of quiet time. Oh, darling. Here's Romeo and Sonny. Here's Romeo. Hello, Romeo, darling. Look at you. You come to play. Look, he looks just like Barry. Uh-oh, we're going to have to keep right now. Barry's got a short tail.
Is that Barry next to him?
Yeah.
Yeah, Barry's a bit more bright on his tail, actually, isn't he?
He's got a shorter tail too. So. Where's Sonny now? Is this Sonny? Now, Sonny, I'm going to have to keep an eye on you too. Actually, you're the yellow. I've got more yellow ones. So, but not out of here. Look at you, Sonny. They're here for holiday.
You've got a lot of yellow and green, haven't you?
I do. But it's the,
Mine's a little precious.
the parents are mainly yellow and green, so the birds. Let's take a look at. Please let the baby be okay. Hello, darling. How's your little baby? Oh, look. Yes, your baby's fine. Hello, darling. How are you today? Good girl. It's okay, Dream. Don't worry. Go ahead, darling. Happy Saturday. Good girl. Well done, Dream. Okay, I'm going to leave you to it. It's all right. All right. And Sarah. Hello, Sarah. You've got your 3 eggs and one shows your little heartbeat. There's a little heart beating inside. Good girl. Yes, you are, Sarah. And there's Aqua. Daddy. Good boy. Hi, darling. Who's that? Hello, you. Who's that? Huh? You snuck up on me. Who's there? Hello, it's Saturday, the 8th of June, 2024. Watching Budgie Central 123. Please do like, share and subscribe. Here's the outside baby birds. They love to graze. Feed on the floor. Spin it for 2 minutes. And where is... There's Romeo. There's Romeo. Hello, Romeo. How you doing? Good boy. And Sonny is grazing down there. Alright, darling. There's Romeo and Sonny inside. They've gone inside, so they probably, I would think, spend the evening inside. Quite comfortable. The beautiful one. Have a nice evening snack in the hand. Hello, honey. Oh, I got you. It's quite tricky to film and hold and move with one hand. With the daddy's feeding daughter, but saying, look, I'm not giving you much more food because it's time you went on your way. And she's saying, please give me some more, Dad. And he said, no. You've had enough. You've got to fend for yourself. It's funny.